Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be re-surrounding my BOSE 301 Series 2 that are in the box. Already started on that one. Figured I should make a video on it, though I've kind of already made a mistake. Apparently I'm not supposed to attempt to remove the adhesive from the cone, which that's why it looks kind of screwed up there, but it's okay. It should work just fine. I'm not going to do that on this one. I'll just remove the foam. I'll pull this one out and I will start working on that one. All right, so I got this woofer out. Now I'm gonna go around, remove all the old crusty stuff here. Get as much as I can off the cone without removing the adhesive, because I guess I wasn't supposed to do that. And then remove everything from the outside. Okay, I got the woofer cleaned off mostly. There's still a little bit of adhesive here, but it's not too much to worry about. Just the fact that most of it's gone. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put glue around the center, spread some glue around the center of the foam surround, and then set it on and get it as centered as possible. And then I'll let that one dry, and then I'll go to that one there and start the alignment process, which I'm not sure how much I'm gonna need to do, because just by ear, I know it's kind of loud in here. I don't hear it scraping at all. So we'll see how difficult that will be. So I'll be back when I got this one glued up, and I'm gonna let it dry. This one's probably ready to be calibrated, so I'll set up my stereo here and do that. All right, so I've done a little bit of testing here. I think I'm actually gonna use these clips to align it. Now, whenever I turn it on, that noise is just the surround flapping because it's not glued down. But if you hear, you're probably not gonna be able to, but you hear how it makes that other noise? That's the noise we don't want to hear. So again, that extra little tapping noise is just because the surround isn't glued down, but no scraping, that's what we want. We don't want to hear the noise. What I'll do is I'll put glue on it and then try and run it and see with the clips on it and see how it sounds, if it scrapes or not. And obviously that's going to be kind of hard to do one-handed, so I will just do it. That looks good, so I'm going to turn this off and press it down a little bit more and let it cure. All right, so what I ended up doing to help that one stick, because it was not really wanting to stick to the metal too much, I took the little plastic decorational guard off, put it in the speaker, and then I have a battery on top to keep the weight on it and to keep it from separating. I think this one's pretty close to being dry enough to use here, so I'm gonna do the same process with this one. All right, I got this one aligned, and there's no scraping. So because the wires were just twisted on and they're done so by machine, I'm not going to be able to get these wires twisted back on the terminals like it would have originally been. So I took some of these connectors, I'm going to crimp them on, and then I will crimp the female connectors onto the wires. Okay, so I have the left speaker put back together. I'm doing one final test, and I have the 30 hertz test tone running, and as you can see, the speaker is vibrating and there is no rubbing, so that's good. I've got the right speaker back together as well, double checked it, no rubbing, so we're all good. And I will put the guards back on, and then I will go put in my room. I've got the BOSE 301 Series 2 up in my room now, attached to my Panasonic SS7000. And they sound pretty darn good. I had some Technics up here, I don't remember the specific model number, but these have a bit more bass than those did. These are a little bit better balanced, I'd say. And another positive is because these are smaller, I can fit more of my boom boxes up there. So yeah, that is all for now. Thank you for watching.